Whispers in the dark, they call my name. A game I never wanted, still I play. Whispers in the dark, they sound like flame, burning every fear away. The floorboards creak, the clocks unwind. I'm chasing ghosts I'll never find. Their voices linger undefined. Whispers in the dark, they call my name. A game I never wanted, still I play. Whispers in the dark, they sound like flame, burning every fear away. What if the voices are pieces of me, scattered like glass, lost in the sea? What if the shadows are truths I can't see, hiding in corners where I'll never be? Fingers trace the cracks in my skin. The mirror's grin, it's wearing thin. Every shot whispers my sin, but I smile like it's nothing. Oh, the night is a thief, stealing my belief. Do I give or just grieve? I'm a shattered glow in a broken sky. Wildfire burning, but I don't know why. Pieces of me scattered like a sigh, but still I shine, still I try. Dust collects on dreams I forgot. Every breath feels like a plot to pull me under, to tie the knot. But I'm not done, not just yet. Tell me, can you see the stars in the cracks, or is it just me chasing what I lack? If I fall, will the world react, or will I fade into the black? I'm a shattered glow in a broken sky. Wildfire burning, but I don't know why. Shattered dreams on the kitchen floor. I swept them up, but they're back for more. Echoes linger in the quiet air. I try to leave, but they're everywhere. I stitched my soul with fragile thread, a million cracks, but not quite dead. Glass heart, it breaks but beats again. Glass heart, it shatters in the rain. You can see right through, but you don't see the pain. Glass heart, oh glass heart. Every word's a hammer to the core. I'm patched together, but I'm not sure if I'll hold through another stormy night, or splinter under the weight of light. Each scar's a map of where I've been, a puzzle piece I'll never win. Glass heart, it breaks but beats again. Glass heart, it shatters in the rain. You can see right through, but you don't see the pain. Glass heart, oh glass heart. Pieces on the floor, they shine. Little shards of what was mine. Every step cuts through my skin, but I won't bleed where I've been. No mirrors left to see, no reflection left of me.